The Wonder Rollator Plus Junior Walker is renowned for its compact design, folding down to a remarkably small footprint, making it incredibly convenient for travel and storage. Featuring a sturdy perch seat, this rollator offers a comfortable resting spot when needed, while still supporting up to 250 pounds without compromising on portability. With no assembly required, this walker comes ready to use straight out of the box, and its adjustable padded handles ensure a personalized fit for comfort. Weighing only 14.5 pounds, the Wonder Rollator is easy to maneuver, and its 6-inch wheels provide stable movement both indoors and outdoors. This rollator is especially beneficial for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges, offering them a reliable aid to regain their independence with confidence. Manufactured by Stander, the Wonder Rollator Plus Junior Walker is designed to be a practical and efficient mobility solution for those seeking freedom and support.